Hello everyone, this is Gazan Rathod. Today we are going to learn about the problem of Leetcode, that is best time to buy and sell stock. This is 121st problem of the Leetcode. I have linked the link to this problem in the description. So yeah, let's not waste our time and go directly to the problem. So basically the problem statement states that we are given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on ith day. Yeah. So you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock, right? So what it says is that there is an array. This is the array basically of prices where this 7 1 5, these are the prices of a stock on given days. Okay, so we have to choose a single day, a single day to buy and a single day to sell. Basically, if I buy here and sell here, I would have a loss. So basically, this is the thing. I have to buy on one day and then sell on the other day. Okay. So return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return zero. Basically, yeah. Okay. Okay. If everything is in descending order, I won't have any profit, right? If this is 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 or something like that, so won't have a profit. So in that case we can return zero. Okay, so basically see, a day with lowest price and then a day after lowest price day, that gives me highest profit. Okay, so basically I want to see a day with lowest price. In this array, what I would do is see the lowest price day. This is my lowest price day, right? And then after this I would search for the subsequent higher price, right? If 5 is the higher price, 5 minus 1 4 is my current highest profit, right? Then after this I would go here. Okay, I would traverse basically, and yeah, if 6 minus 1 it is 5, it is greater than this 5 minus 1 4, so I would choose this day. So basically what is happening, I would explain you in detail. Basically first what would I would see, I want a lowest value of the stock, lowest price basically. So first when I traverse through this array, the first thing is I have 7. I would set 7 as my lowest, right? 7 is my lowest, and I would move forward. I would check if 1 is lower than 7. Okay, 1 is lower than 7, so my new lowest would be 1. Okay, so I would move forward and check if 5 is lower than 1. No, 5 is not lower than 1. And if now 5 is not lower than 1, I have a chance to sell my my stock, right? Because I have got a higher price. So if I got a higher price, I can sell it, right? So what I would do is I would sell at this day and note my profit, right? 5 minus 1, that is 6, that is 4. So 4 is my current max profit, right? So I would store it. Then I would move to the next day. So 1 and 3, still my lowest is 1. I am not changing my lowest. Okay, because it is the lowest, right? So yeah, 3 and 1. Okay, no, 3 is not lower than 1. 3 minus 1, okay, it is 2, but my max profit is that is 4. I won't sell here. This is better option, right? Then I would move to the next one, 1 and 6. Okay, so here 6 is greater, so 6 minus 1 is 5, right? 5 is greater than 4. Then I would update my max profit basically to 5. Yeah, so and I would try on moving on to the next, but 4 minus 1 is 3, which is not lower, so my max profit here would be here if I buy here and sell here. So 6 minus 1, it is 5. 5 is my max profit, so basically I would return 5. So what I would do is define a lowest integer, then max profit, right? And then I would write a for loop to traverse through the array and return the max profit. So basically this is the blueprint I have of my code right now, and I would like now move on to the code. Yeah, so basically int lowest, right, is equal to integer dot max value. Okay, why max value? Because I want to check the lowest one, right? So I would first go on to the max value, and the first one, like I would go to the first element and set it as the lowest then. Okay, you would understand this one. Okay, max profit. Okay, I would set this has to be 0. Okay, we will start with 0 because If there is nothing, we would return 0 itself. Okay, so for loop int I is equals to 0, I is less than what is it, prices. Okay, prices dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so I'm moving ahead, and right now I'm writing the code. Okay, if lowest is lower than prices I, lowest is greater than prices I, then lowest is equals to prices I. Hmm. Hope you understand this. Else, if this doesn't happen, what I would do is max profit is equals to math dot max of max profit comma prices I minus lowest. Hope you understand this. I just explained it. And at the end, what I want is return this max profit. Oh, yeah. Let's run this and check if it is okay. This is the answer, and we are submitting this. So yes, this is it. This is it. This was the whole question. Hope you understand it. Let's move on to the next one. Meet you in the next video.